So there it is with the fender removed. So we're there. It's just like I was saying that there's one there, one in the middle, and one here at the top. One other little trick is that there's one of these bullet connectors, just a single wire that passes through the inner fender wall here in this grommet. Comes out here, and that's connected to this marker light. There. Just like that. So you gotta disconnect that before you pull the fender off. However, on the driver's side, there's also this like evap container, which I've already started removing, that you can take off because the bullet connector, let's see if I can get my camera in here, it's way down there. So I mean, you could probably reach your hand around here and do it, but I'm going to take this off because I'm taking everything off. Might as well have the room.